In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive all posts on Instagram at once. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. From here, you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to select your activity. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you're on this page, you need to scroll down to the content you shared section and essentially find post on here. So essentially select post. You're going to see all of your posts on here. Go ahead and hit select up in the top right and select every single one of them, just like I'm doing right now. And then down in the bottom left, you're going to see an archive section. Simply hit archive and it'll archive every single Instagram post that you've went ahead and done. That's the full process, just like so. That is how you can archive Instagram posts here in bulk. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.